5 minutes in and you already get the gist. An up button, a down button. But here is the main question. How do you avoid blowing your entire deposit on the first night? I know what I'm talking about. I've been through it. And what saved me were two simple yet powerful indicators: envelopes and Vortex. They are like flashlights in the dark. They show where the price is heading, who is in control right now, and when to expect a reversal. With them, I navigated my first real trading journey, and now I can earn steadily. Want to learn how to do this thing? Watch my video to the end. I'll show you how to set up these indicators in the simplest way possible and how to use them to trade fearlessly and grow your deposit consistently. Open your terminal, follow along step by step, and start pulling money out of the market one trade at a time. Right here, I can do a little trading. I'm going short because my strategy tells me there's going to be a nice bounce off the central envelope lines. When the candles are squeezed between them and Vortex shows a crossover, yeah, that's the signal. The key is not to enter randomly, but to catch moments when the price pushes off a line and moves in the opposite direction. Profitable trades are born precisely on such pullbacks. Of course, don't be able to trade like this right away. This requires practice, and good practice in particular. I get that many of you might start rushing, hurrying, making mistakes. But guys, money isn't something to gamble with. The market isn't about the hustle. If you really can't wait, here's a tip. Subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. I don't just post profit screenshots there. I share insights that help you understand the market, such as tricks, hack, my real-time trading thoughts. It really boosts your growth. The link is below. Don't miss it. Meanwhile, I'll keep dancing with the chart. This one getting even more interesting. By the way, I did manage to pull off one trade here. Honestly, I thought it would be a loss, but it turned out profitable. United. And this too, they also landed in my wallet. Perfect. That's exactly what I needed. Now, let's break down Vortex in detail so you get a clearer understanding of how to use this strategy, because watching is one thing and entering the market with confidence is another. When the lines on the histogram cross, that's a signal of growing instability in the market. A sharp pullback, like reversal, is likely to happen. But that's not enough. We also need to figure out the direction. That's where envelope comes in. They provide context. As I mentioned earlier, they draw boundaries within which the price usually moves. The candle is getting jumpy. Nervous, I say. But look, it's hitting the lower blue line, and that often means a bounce upward. There it is, the long wick on the charts. It's clear someone is pushing the price up from below. Buyers are stepping in. Yeah, not without some losses. That happens too. But no big deal. I close it and I take a new position. The key is staying calm and sticking to the plan. Now let me remind you how Vortex work. It's a strength indicator. It shows who is controlling the market right now, buyers or sellers. The most important thing, Vortex keeps you from going against the crowd. Helps you stay on the power side, and trust me, that's a lifesaver for beginners making reckless entries. Oh no, this won't do. See, there are exceptions, but it's not a strategy failure. Just a moment of high volatility, and technically, I haven't lost anything yet. Keep trading the signal. I won't claim these indicators are magical, but when you're restarting from scratch and just want some clarity on the path, they really make life easier. I use them in every trading session, not because someone recommend them, but because they genuinely bring peace of mind. So if you're just starting out and want to understand the market without 1,000 confusing lines, begin with these two. Envelopes will show where price is at its extreme. Vortex shows directional strength. Great. Took my money here after fighting for it. Now, I'll look for something else interesting on this chart. Oh friends, now I'll show you my favorite signal, the one I use with particular affection. So watch closely. Price is clearly moving down, and my strategy suggests candles are testing the lower channel line. The channel is downward sloping, meaning downward movement is currently stronger and more relevant. Meanwhile, in Vortex, significant line divergence. This means the trend has strong momentum and we can expect further downside. This signal is a real gift for trend traders. It's telling us, don't expect a reversal, until the market shows weakness. But remember, no strategy guarantees 100% success. Proper risk management is crucial, and you must always be prepared for surprises. That's why I always trade with small position. Well, I'm done here. Moving on. Clearly, the candle is pushing up the upper envelope channel line. In Vortex, the momentum is starting to stall. By the way, I've made the lines in the same color to avoid confusion from standard colors. From this indicator, I only care about divergence and line crossovers. Just see which one is stronger, that's all. No point in cluttering the screen with unnecessary elements. Now, let's see how the candle gets pushed off from the upper envelopes. Channel line, price is practically telling us, stop, it's time to go down. In Vortex, the momentum continues weakening. Guys, remember the key points. We don't focus on colors or overcomplicate things with details. All we need is divergence and line crossovers. These are what signal trend strengths. Looks like I will go short again. Okay, don't rush to skip this video. Understand that many things I said might sound unclear. That's normal. When I first started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all this strategy, divergences, and technical analysis. But now, you have a choice. Either go through the same path I did and learn how to trade on your own while burning through your deposits at early stages, or can start trading with artificial intelligence that provide ready, tested signals and will help you earn, even if this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed a unique software and have put into it my experience multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes charts 24/7 and gives you 72% accurate signals. All you need is to enter the trade at the right time with the right signal. That's all. Want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via link in the description and I will explain to you everything. And most importantly, you will get this for absolutely free. So DM me on my Telegram. See you guys. And now we continue. Things like a strong drop is about to begin. Trades are developing calmly here without sharp spikes. I like that. It allows major trading. Who is in control is actually obvious. The pressure from below is undeniable, visible in the price action, candlesticks, and reaction at levels. Now about the envelope channel itself, I use two channels simultaneously with different settings. One shows a wider price corridor, the other a tighter one. This helps see both the bigger picture and precise entry points. For example, when price touches the inner narrow channel, that's the first signal. Touching the outer channel serves as stronger confirmation. Right now, Vortex indicates the trend is ready for an upward surge. The indicator lines are turning in a specific pattern, a sign of sustainable movement. The sharp spike and rising tempo clearly shows the bull is gaining strength. Meanwhile, envelope provides additional price movement context for better reversal timing. Friends, you can trade all day indeed. Signals appear constantly. But remember, moderation is key. I've shown you nearly everything now. Rewatch this video carefully and you will truly understand this strategy. Going long, first trading workouts. No matter, let me trade a bit more. Then as promised, I'll show you the setup. Envelope parameters, Vortex configuration, the complete installation. We'll check final profits later. If I recall correctly, I started with $500. Now, it's about $1,000. Effectively, double the balance. Solid results. Calm trading. Less signal. No force. That's the way trading should be. Excellent upward impulse. Seems to bear for a short here, but honestly, I typically trade one direction only. Keep things simple. As expected, pullback from upper boundary. Only one question to this. Take another position here or wait for a new setup. Two friends are mentoring long. Why? Because price touched sharply below envelopes line with strong upward angle, and Vortex shows fresh crossover with wide divergence, suggesting upward impulse will likely continue. This is the signal logic. Price pushes up strongly at key zone with trend confirmation, minimal risk, and maximum sense. Perfect timing. On this positive note, we can wrap up today's session as promised. Let's move to the crucial part, the strategy setup. One contract of trade already secured, others pending, but I hope this video was helpful and clear. If my efforts resonated, I'd appreciate your like. And of course, subscribe to my channel. Your support genuinely helps to improve this content and you get more profitable strategies and signals. Thanks for watching, learning and growing with me. Now, I'm revealing all cards, I'm showing the exact setup. Friends, the key is simply replicating my configuration precisely. This way, you'll receive identical signals and confidently pick trades with me. Finally, Vortex. It's setting around novelty, standard configuration, no extras. But after years of use, I can honestly say it has never let me down. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching to the end. But let's recap. Today, you witnessed real trading, my working strategy, and actually effective indicators. And most importantly, learn how to configure them on your own. For more profit generating tools, subscribe to my YouTube channel with precisely regular strategy breakdown. So like, hit the bell, and never miss them. Wishing you profit, calm mindset, and growing accounts. See you in the next video.